Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Cupcakes healthy easy guide. Start by swapping refined flour for whole grain or almond flour and cut sugar by a third. Add fruit or vegetable purees for moisture and natural sweetness. Use Greek yogurt or applesauce instead of butter to lower fat. Portion into muffin tins and bake until a toothpick comes out clean, about 18 to 22 minutes, then cool before frosting lightly. Let's look at smarter ingredient swaps that keep flavor. Swap refined flour for whole grain or almond flour to boost fiber and texture. Replace half the sugar with mashed banana, applesauce, or a little maple syrup to retain sweetness. Use Greek yogurt or low-fat buttermilk for tender crumbs and added protein. Fold in berries, grated carrot, or zucchini for natural moisture and vitamins without changing taste. These swaps are simple and kid-friendly. Small changes during baking make big differences in health and texture. Portion batter using a scoop and muffin tins to control calories and ensure even baking. Watch bake times closely and test with a toothpick. Avoid overbaking to keep moisture. Cool completely before adding lighter frostings, such as whipped Greek yogurt, low-sugar cream cheese, or a thin citrus glaze. Store leftovers in the fridge and enjoy within 3 days for best flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.